Hello. So we'll be doing some live trading and practicing a few concepts. Yep. So that's what we'll be doing. It's very late here, but I couldn't sleep, so I thought maybe I should go live and just chill out. Let me check if my voice is clear. Okay, so everything's good. Let's start. So we have this curve here and it's trying to respect this curve and move forward with that. Okay, I guess you're good. And second. So this is the insider resistance. So we'll mark this as the insider resistance. Yep. And if it's broken, then we have the stoppage. Let's see how the candlestick patterns are working. So here we see the hammer is pushing the market down. Again, a hammer. Then we have a bullish engulfing. So hammer is failing, bullish engulfing is working. Second. So here we have another bullish engulfing. So I'll be just doing paper trading as of now because I won't be able to connect. Wasn't able to connect the broker, which is Weeks. I'm using Weeks as of now. I do also use MEXC, but both of them are not available here, and I'm not able to also connect my Windows capture. So I'll figure it out later, but right now I'm just not in the mood to ruin this whole stream. So yeah. Let's do this, and as per the rule we will be using just 2% of the balance, and yep, we good. So secondly, I don't recommend trading with me, so just don't trade, okay? Don't trade. I don't think so anyone is watching us. Yeah, we are fine. So this is a paper account. I've started this like with maybe like $300,000 and made it to like 700,000. So yeah, I just like when I feel like um, I don't have anything to do, I'm bored, I just come here and trade, haha, and practice my skills. There's no issue in using demo trade and paper trade. It's fine if you're doing it for practice. So yeah, that's my hobby. My leisure time goes with the trading, and yep. As far as the market news is concerned, things are quite dodgy until 7th May because we have like Fed's interest rate coming up. So interest rate will be announcing on 7th of May. So my eyes on that, because right now that is a very crucial news and market is very sensitive to the rates as of now after the tariff cool down. Let's see how things work. Sorry. If you see here, we have this wick, and how do we use wick for trading? How do we find the reversals with only wick? So whenever the wick is here, we see a superior candle to which we call volume burst, which I call volume burst in DMF concept. So this superior candle came and with a volume burst, and right over here we have this candle ending and a wick. Similarly, these wicks come with the volume burst. So if the price action is able to go over this wick, means that it's quite bullish and it's changing its structure. So we call these wicks as change of characters as well. So I mainly use the wicks for the change of characters, and it works pretty fine for me. So here you can see that this was the change of character for this wick, but right here or at the 50% it rejected. So yeah, that's how you can see things. Also, if you can see, we have a head and shoulder pattern. So this is like inferior head and shoulder pattern. So here we have this head, we have this shoulder, and if we make a SR interchange from this, yep. So from here to here, and we'll use it from this retest, this shoulder, right shoulder retest, and here we go. We have this stoppage. Now you see we have a volume fill up. So usually market comes to these liquidities. The wicks are the liquidity itself, and they are like, if the wick is from below the candle, it will be a liquidity sweep, and if it's above the candle like this, it will be a liquidity swap. Reminding of the being reminded that the candle color is very prominent. Like, you have to keep in mind what is the candle color. So here the price went up, then it went down. So this is the swap and this is the sweep. So right here we have the reversal, and you can see a hammer. So as per the rules, it will retest. We'll close this position and we'll come on the retest. So we'll join the market on this retest of this resistance. So, and it has to follow these rules of retesting. Also we have this these levels for so 0.5 is the central zone. Now it will, if it will go up, it will surely give me a hard pick. Okay, let's buy. Why not? Leave it. So I guess you can see my screen. YouTube, okay. So let's just read some posts. How we can so here we have a bearish engulfing, and so we have a gap. Let's see if it gets filled or the candle body closes with this. If the candle body is closing with this, I'm gonna buy a position here, and it's not. Okay. Strictly trading on the yearly chart from now. Netflix, how can you image cause physical pain? So I posted recently about this BTC correlation with the 10-year US Treasury bond. You can see how this works, and Treasury bond has a huge impact on these wholesome stocks. And Warren Buffett has owned more than the US Treasury itself. So you can see how much powerful these treasury bonds are. And when we had a recession, US recession in 2008, we saw a huge dip in the treasury bonds. And if you're trading, you must be aware of these. So recently we saw a huge pullback in the treasury bonds, and we also seeing the BTC as well. So many of guys are commenting that money supply is the issue, is the reason why BTC pumped, but actually not. It's the government bonds and the gold, as you have seen that the gold bull run had huge capitulation. So all the capital is now getting swapped into the treasury bonds and treasury bonds to BTC itself. So have an eye on these three assets: gold, treasury bonds, and BTC. Also have an eye on the Dixie as well. which is the DXY index. Let me show you. So I told you that it will reject on the central zone and will retest on the resistance. Okay, so here we are with the trade. So this is the Dixie chart. It's a dollar currency index. It went into a huge depth and now pulling back up, and you will find the treasury bonds. Where the heck did it go? Am I spelling it correctly? Let me see. Treasury bonds. I guess it was. Okay, here we have the retest, and let's see how it will react to this hammer. US government bonds. Okay. Okay. It didn't have the word treasury. Fine. So we'll go on a daily chart, and here we go. Okay. Also, we had the recent earnings for Apple. It went like, okay, 170. But actually, here we go. So yesterday there was earnings released for Apple, and we saw a huge gap down. Wasn't so bad of the revenue, but went pretty down. It's because of the tariffs, actually. They have shifted the. It's actually the uncertainty. The revenue is not that bad, but the investors are not ready to invest in it. So we'll see how the dividends. So 0.2. I guess they have increased the dividends as well. So that's good to keep up with the momentum and hold off the selling, but due to uncertainty, Apple is not doing good. So is Amazon. Amazon also had the positive earnings, but it went fine actually. That's question. So yeah, we were on BTC. Let's see. Okay, here we go. We have this retest, and we also have the hammer. So what's the role of the hammer? Okay, hammer's not doing good, but we did have the bullish engulfing. But these wicks are showing selling pressure. Let's see it. we can buy 1%. Let's wait for 2-3 candles and then we'll see. What we actually need here is a bullish engulfing. And that is what I was concerned about, that we are seeing the selling pressure. Hammer is not working, we need a bullish engulfing. Bullish engulfing is what doing the thing here. You see this. Then we have this same structure, and now we have the opposite of it. This one, this one, this one. This one. Opposite to it, so we can have this TFC. Let's try. It's a risky trade on here because we have a support changed into resistance, but was changed into support. So let's see. Okay, let's sell. We'll trade our stop loss. Wait, what? Hopefully the stream is not ended. Okay, we go. So we are seeing a major sell-off, transfers from Grayscale. Interesting. Okay. Okay, viewers are stopped out. I guess it was at the central zone. Yep, the central zone. So we'll buy hit 1% here, and we'll buy on the retest if we get one. So as it was supposed to retest this and all, but it has this structure which is the opposite of it, and because of that I made the trade quite risky, but still it would work because it's a CC pattern, and as per DMF concept, CCP, we see always a dual market structure. So maybe the power is cut down as the part, it's also the power part of the DMF, but still the trade has like go in that way, in that direction. So we had this 0.5, and then yeah, it's not bad. And TP should be here. So our first trade was this. Then our second trade was where is the music? Here you go. Just checking on if everything is working fine. Yep, yes. So I guess we will see a hammer, and okay, I was trailed with the stop loss. Let's see if we can make another entry. So we had this hammer, and then we had this bearish candle, and then market pumped again. So let's see if this works again. I'm gonna buy it again. Yeah. 1% here, then we'll go on the confirmation for the number. here we go. Candlestick patterns work every single time. They don't disappoint me. Sometimes they do. I get that's the time. We can keep the stop loss, I guess, here. Yep. Okay, we have a hammer again. That's not good. It can fail as well because maybe we can see an inverse morning star. Nope. I'm a trade also on my exchange. Okay, stopped out. It might go for the total supply. So with Ondo, this support is holding up again. Waiting for this confirmation before I can go for this trade. What's up with Soul? we have this exact reversal, then this. And we have a regression down here. And here we go. So what's the job of the hammer? So whenever we see a hammer, it's usually failing unless we see a bullish engulfing. So right here we saw this one and it was failing. Inverse bearish engulfing. As I told that the hammer is failing, and here we go. What we actually need is a morning star, a pattern like this, or we need a bullish engulfing. There we go. Okay, we have the bullish engulfing. Perfect one. Second, I'll be back. Okay. We have hammer. Let's see. We have bullish engulfing, then we have a hammer, so it's a good confirmation. And the supply is also ended with this, and we have a reversal here as well. So in the recent video, I talked about the pennant. So let's just find more pennants as an example. And this is just like I'm just chilling out. Not, so I wasn't able to sleep. So just taking some time out for practicing. So here we have this pennant. And with that, we'll use this reversal, sorry, interchange. So the reversal. So yeah, hammer is continuously failing. We had the double confirmation. Let's see, maybe double bottom could help. I guess it's trying to fill these FPGs here. as an FPG. Guess we're done with 50% area. Yep. Exactly at 50% we have the person. Also we have the supply for ECP, which is advanced statistic pattern. I'm gonna cancel this trade right here. If I stop now, there's no problem. Okay, now the sleep is kicking in, and I will just end my stream just like a few minutes. And we'll get a volume boost here. Just took my crazy. Huge candle here, literally huge. Let's see if this level holds, because we have the morning star here. Hopefully it will. That's by 1% here. Take a risk. Might close these RPGs and then also there is no wick here, so this trailer stop. If this gets cancelled, then we can see a double supply. trade. Yes, with SPX we have double top and we're on the key level. So we mark this as the OB. Good. And here we go. As expected that we will just double this supply, and here we go. And we'll trail a stop loss here. So the reason behind this is this raining star. So whenever a candle like this comes in, it means like the sellers are taking some profit, so the scalpers are taking some profit, but it's still it is just a fake out, and we see a double supply here. Based on that concept, this trade was made and went pretty good. Good. We'll trail our stop loss. This one went pretty well for us. So again, we have a hammer here. Job of the hammer is to push the market down, but we have this one. So an inverse effect can be seen. What we need here is a bullish engulfing bottom, or maybe, yeah, here we go. As said that we will see a bullish reversal here, because this hammer pushed the market down, and since if you can see the wick up here, and with this wick it's below this candle, so it will give an inverse effect. So since we are in a downtrend, expect a rejection at the central zone, and here we go. Right there we have the rejection at the central zone. Thinking of going one more time, but I want to risk it. It's a would be a risky trade here, so give it a pause for some moment and see. And we have a gap here, so far we have these trades. This one. So 3,049. This candle is a raining star. So far we have 3 good trades and 2 bad. 3-2. You can see a reversal here. If you see, let me give you an example. So it's actually like this one. Just the wick is from below, and here the wick is from above. And then, so here we need to see a bullish engulfing. So if I will see a bullish engulfing, I'll go in. Going for the third supply. Let's see how it breaks in the central zone of the third supply, and if I will see any hammer or bullish engulfing, I'll go in. Retesting this refugee. Which is done, and the selling can be seen. I won't be taking trade here because selling is showing some exhaustion. If you go on doji candles, sorry, Ikeneshi candles, you can see wicks coming up from below, so it's getting exhausted. Just waiting for the final confirmation to go for a buy. And here we go. I'm gonna end this stream right here because I'm quite sleepy, and we'll be back with another stream tomorrow with the analysis and some few topics.